Flagship phones are getting insanely expensive, but mid-range phones in 2026? They're smarter, faster, and just as powerful for half the price. So if you're looking for the best mid-range phone that delivers real performance without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight in. The Xiaomi Poco F7 is one of 2026's biggest surprises in the mid-range segment. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, which brings near-flagship performance for gaming, multitasking, and video editing. You get a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp visuals and silky smooth motion whether you're watching videos or gaming. Its 50-megapixel Sony IMX sensor captures detailed shots even in low light, and the OIS support adds stability to every frame. Battery-wise, the 5,000 mAh unit easily lasts a full day, and the 120-watt hypercharge takes it from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes. If you want flagship-level performance on a mid-range budget, this is the one to beat. But if you want something even more premium, Xiaomi took it up a notch with the F7 Ultra. The Poco F7 Ultra is the slightly more luxurious version of the F7, with upgraded internals and camera hardware. It features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which makes it one of the fastest mid-range devices out there. The 6.74-inch AMOLED 1.5K display supports 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and HDR10+, making movies and games look incredibly vivid. It comes with a triple camera setup, led by a 64-megapixel OIS main lens, ultra-wide, and macro shooter, designed for creators who need detail and flexibility. You also get Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, IP68 water resistance, and 120-watt turbocharging, rare at this price. For users who want a near-flagship feel without paying flagship money, the F7 Ultra delivers that experience flawlessly. But if you prefer something clean, reliable, and made for daily use, Motorola's next pick keeps things simple and smart. The Moto G55 continues Motorola's tradition of reliable mid-range phones that perform way above their price. Powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, it handles day-to-day tasks, light gaming, and streaming effortlessly. The design is clean and minimal, featuring a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, giving smooth visuals for media and gaming. You also get a 50-megapixel main sensor with quad-pixel technology, which enhances low-light photos significantly. Motorola nails it with near-stock Android, no ads, and fast updates, something that sets it apart from most mid-range rivals. Add in a 5,000 mAh battery with 68-watt turbo-power charging, and you've got one of the most balanced phones for casual users in 2026. And if you're someone who trusts Samsung's reliability, the next phone gives you exactly that, in a fresh new package. The Samsung Galaxy A26 brings the trusted Samsung experience to the mid-range lineup. It features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning colors and deep contrast that Samsung is famous for. Under the hood, it runs on the Exynos 1380 processor, optimized for power efficiency and multitasking. The triple camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and depth lens, capable of capturing vivid, true-to-life photos with Samsung's AI image processing. The A26 offers 5G support, IP67 water resistance, and 4 years of security updates, making it a smart long-term buy for everyday users. If you value brand reliability, display quality, and camera consistency, this one's hard to ignore. But if you want a blend of performance, design, and value, Redmi's got a strong contender next. The Redmi Note 14 Pro continues Xiaomi's streak of dominating the mid-range segment. It comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, ensuring fast performance and efficient power use. Its 6.67-inch AMOLED display supports 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision, giving you bright, colorful visuals perfect for binge-watching or gaming. The 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL main sensor is a huge leap forward, capturing ultra-detailed shots with impressive dynamic range. It also packs 67-watt fast charging and a 5,100 mAh battery, meaning you'll spend less time plugged in and more time on the move. For anyone looking for top-tier specs under a mid-range tag, this phone is an absolute steal. But if you want smooth Oxygen OS experience and flagship design, the OnePlus 13R is your pick. The OnePlus 13R is a near-flagship disguised as a mid-ranger. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, offering blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and photography. You get a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+, delivering punchy colors and deep blacks. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX 890 sensor with OIS, giving crisp shots and stable 4K video. OnePlus also brings 80W Super VOC charging, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and Oxygen OS that feels smooth, fast, and bloat-free. This phone easily rivals higher-end models at almost half the cost, making it one of the smartest buys of 2026. All these phones are available now. Check the links in the description for the best deals and updated prices. Which one would you choose for your next upgrade? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming gadget lineups. Thanks for watching. Remember, mid-range phones in 2026 aren't compromises anymore. They're flagship killers. See you in the next video.